City of Ekurhuleni, umasipala waseKurhuleni. La masipala lowa sibe neMadlanga Commission. Iyasebenza iMadlanga. Iyasebenza iMadlanga Commission. So today bekuvela abasolwa 4 from the seat of Ekurhuleni. Bevele court for a fraud and corruption. Mandi unpack and uzoyiva. Please make sure you like and subscribe to the channel Hlathi Communication. That is the channel Hlathi Communication, so that this channel can grow and grow, whereby we inform you, we unpack and we discuss political issues, current affairs, everything in South Africa. We discuss it from this channel. Siyazama understand using a simple language. So namhlanje there were 4 officials bezivele court from the seat of Ekurhuleni. Zivela ngamatyala we fraud and corruption. All those 4 suspects bezivele court namhlanje, they once appeared in Madlanga Commission, and omnye wabo ungaphandle ngebail already. He was granted a bail of 30,000. Jeba sephinde vele court namhlanje velela amanye amatyala. Akekho omnye ngaphandle kabani koJulius Mkhwanazi. Julius Mkhwanazi, it's one of those 4 individuals. It's one of those 4 officials ezivele court namhlanje from the seat of Ekurhuleni. Julius Mkhwanazi, sibe no Dr. Mashezi, sibe no Xasheka, sibe no Behari. All those 4 individuals, they are coming from the seat of Ekurhuleni. They were charged with the fraud and corruption as of today, the 9th of July. The arrest zabo took place last night, the 8th of July. Then today they were appearing at court. Then they are court proceedings namhlanje, and then 2 of them, they were granted bail of 50,000 each. That is Julius Mkhwanazi and Behari. Both of them, they were granted bail. And then the other 2, Mashezi and Xasheka bona, court, they still need to verify physical addresses zabo before they can grant them a bail. So meaning tomorrow, Friday the 10th of July, izawuphinde iqhubeke i-bail application of these 2 individuals. But again, even for Julius Mkhwanazi no Behari, they will remain inside for the night, because apparently seyivalile i-bail office for them babakwazi ureleaswa namhlanje. So they will be released tomorrow morning, just after they've paid their bail fee, which is the 50,000 each. So zizo-ke ezenzekileyo namhlanje, and those individuals, they are coming from the very same seat of Ekurhuleni, the fraud and corruption. And guess dala sibona izinto zisenzeka from that city, corruption and fraud.